नमस्ते गाइज 안녕하세요 and it's me Ralph Giri from South Korea तपाईहरुले मलाई धेरैले चिन्नु नै हुन्छ सो आज चाहिँ म साउथ कोरियामा एकजना साथीलाई भेट्न आएको छु त्यो भन्दा पनि म चाहिँ अहिले साउथ कोरियाको वान अफ द फेमस प्लेस होङदे स्ट्रिट भन्छ यो ठाउँलाई चाहिँ So I am in this place. So यहाँ चाहिँ म फर्स्ट टाइम आएको छु टु मिट वान अफ माई फ्रेन्ड यहाँनिर चाहिँ तपाईँले हेर्नुभयो भने पछाडि होङदेफो भनेर पनि लेखाएको छ होङदेफो त्यहाँनिर पछाडि एक ठाउँ लेखाएको छ सो आई एम हियर टु मिट वान अफ माई फ्रेन्ड हु इज फ्रम पाकिस्तान एन्ड हु इज अल्सो भेरी फेमस पाकिस्तानी युट्युबर इन साउथ कोरिया सो आई एम गोइङ टु मिट हिम वे इज हि सो हि इज कमिङ देयर
Hi everyone. Hello. Namaste. 안녕하세요. Hi everyone.
Can you put out your mouth?
Namaste everyone.
Salam
Hi
alaikum.
everyone.
So he's from Pakistan. Actually, in Pakistan, we used to say Salam alaikum like we say Namaste in Nepal.
Right.
So, आपका कुछ introductions आए?
Okay, sure. So again, namaste everyone. मेरा नाम should I speak English or Hindi?
As you prefer.
Okay. So guys, my name is Majid. I'm from Pakistan and I've been living in South Korea for 5 years. I love traveling. I've been to almost 22 countries, but like visiting Nepal is on my dream list. I love.
ये तो बहुत नाइंसाफी हो गई ना. ये तो बहुत.
I mean, it's already on my top list, but inshallah one day I will definitely go. And I have very good friends from Nepal.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? So.
I was living. मैं USA में था और USA में मेरे सबसे जो best friends थे, they were Koreans and Nepalis.
Okay.
So, बहुत अच्छे friend. और एक मजे की बात बताऊँ, जब मैं USA में था तो मेरे जो नेपाली friends थे, they invited me on a Nepali night.
Really?
And I went there.
Okay.
And I was wearing Nepali dress.
Really?
Nepali dress में
So how was the
पहना हुआ था।
experience?
It was amazing यार, बहुत अच्छे friend थे मेरे कुछ friends, उनका नाम मनीषा, सोनम एक थी, अक्षित, आकाशिया, प्रीति थी, उप्रीति. So ये तीन मेरे friends थे, बहुत they were very nice. और yeah, I love Nepal and I hope to go there one day.
So माजिद को बारे में भन्नु पर्दाखेरि माजिद is one of the famous YouTuber from Pakistan. So he is in South Korea. It has been more than 5 years, almost 5 years, not more than 5 years. So माजिद को Korean बहुत अच्छी आती है. So can you say anything in Korean?
Okay, actually I've been living here for 5 years, but मेरी Korean बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, but still I'll say something. So 안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 파키스탄에서 온 마지드라고 합니다. 저 한국에 온 지 5년 되는데요. 근데 아직도 한국어가 그렇게 잘하지 않아요. 그래도 한국어 제 두 번째 고향이라고 생각합니다. 여러분 저 네팔 사람들이 엄청 좋아요. 왜냐하면 네팔 사람들이 너무 친절하고 여자들이도 너무 예쁘고
아이고.
그래서 네팔 인생에 한번 꼭 가보고 싶습니다. 반갑습니다 여러분.
So please welcome to Nepal. So Majid को बारे में भन्नु पर्दाखेरि Majid is the guy who come to from Pakistan in a South Korea to in a KGSP scholarship.
Yeah.
So KGSP is a very like popular scholarship. I didn't think popular is it?
Yeah, very very popular and like one of the world's most searched scholarship in the world.
So KGSP scholarship मा के हुन्छ भने साउथ कोरियामा चाहिँ South Korean government will pay you every year education fee and also they will also pay you for your accommodation like where you eat and where you live. They will give you a $900 per month.
Exactly.
And the main thing is if you complete your education before coming to South Korea, they will also give you a plane ticket in a Korean Air, right?
In a Korean Air.
Korean Air. So if you complete your education, if you go to your country, Nepal or Pakistan, so at that time also they will give you
flight ticket.
plane
So
ticket.
it's basically you are coming to Korea, everything is free, like your residence is free and your tuition is free. You don't need to worry about anything, and they are even paying you money to live in Korea to study.
So yeah, it's a very big scholarship.
It's very big. So and they're like on Nepal also so many people come to South Korea
Yeah,
for this
yeah.
scholarship. So guys, please apply for KGSP scholarship. I have on my channel a few videos. You can go and check it out. And if you still have some questions, please let me know.
सो माजिद को च्यानलको लिङ्क चाहिँ म डिस्क्रिप्सनमा हालिदिन्छु यु क्यान भिजिट हिज च्यानल एन्ड अल्सो सब्सक्राइब हिज च्यानल सो माजिद इज भेरी फेमस सो वान अफ द भिडियो अफ माजिद हेज क्रस टु अलमोस्ट इट हेज बिन भ्युड इन 2 मिलियन्सले हेरिसकेको छ त्यो भिडियो एन्ड सो माजिदसँग मेरो फर्स्ट टाइम भेटभाव हो एन्ड वी आर इन होङदे सो इट्स भेरी फेमस प्लेस इन साउथ कोरिया
Have you been in
No,
Hongdae?
no, I didn't have been before. So he's taking me around the street. So
Let me show you around. By the way, guys, Ralph is doing an amazing job also. And please, Ralph के channel को भी subscribe करें इसके channel को भी. Guys, like Hongdae is basically a place for young people, and especially for couples. So if you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, you must come to Hongdae. But like I'm single right now, and it is Ralph with me. But anyways, you guys can come here with friends also. Anyways, so Hongdae is famous for there is very famous university called Hongik University.
yeah, right.
And it's famous for arts. So people from Hongik University, they come on these streets and they do like dancing, or they do different kind of performances and shows. So when it was not COVID, this street was full of people dancing, doing some dance or shows or singing and everything. So basking was the main thing here that was done here. So it's very popular. Let us show you guys around here, and also the food.
Yeah.
Hongdae is hub of Korean food. So name any Korean food and you will find it. So many restaurants, even international food like Indian, Nepali. There's a Nepali restaurant here.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's the name of that? Do you know about
Jyoti.
Jyoti?
Yeah.
So this is my first time coming to here. I didn't
Okay.
have been to that place. So कोरोना का कारण से मतलब कितना ज़्यादातर टूरिस्ट यहाँ पर नहीं आए हुए हैं.
Right.
तो
For me, like guys, like मैं तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा आता हूँ because it's like 20 minutes away from my home. And especially guys, if you like party, if you like going to clubs, again this area is a must visit because Hongdae is like second biggest place for clubs after Gangnam. So there are so many clubs also, bars also. It's like good party place. So especially on Friday, this is gonna be so crowded here.
really?
So if you want to find Ralph, I'm sure next Friday he will be here.
Okay, I think so. I really want to come too, but I didn't have a time like working time. So मेरो ठाउँ चाहिँ यहाँभन्दा धेरै 2 घन्टा टाढा छ. So I can be here, but he lives 20 minutes from here. So
But most of the time I'm busy, so I don't go mostly partying. I hardly go clubbing. But if you guys love it, it's a must thing. So let us show you. Yeah.
you can speak.
So we will show you guys also around some of the places. Still, even though there's Corona, but a lot of people are still walking here with couples and everything. So let us show you.
So it is still crowd nowadays also. So जब कोरोना नहीं होती तो कितने आदमी होते?
Exactly, बहुत ज़्यादा रश होता है यहाँ पे. ना मज़े की. It's a good place.
So अभी भी हजारों की तादाद में I guess either people are walking all around there. You can
Let
you can
us
see.
show you guys. Okay.
So you can see all around these people. हजारों की तादाद में अभी भी आदमी लोग चल रहे हैं. So I began to
हिंदी है, right?
So I began to speak in Hindi. So अझै पनि यहाँ एकदम हजारौं को मान्छेहरू हिँडिरहेका छन् है.
तो यहाँ पे guys, यहाँ पे ना स्पेशली आप लोग चलो इधर चलते भी हैं. अभी तो आपको शायद ये सिर्फ एक अजशी नज़र आ रहा है. अजशी मीन्स ओल्ड मैन. तो यूजुअली यहाँ पे जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्ल्स वगैरह यहाँ पे डांस करती हैं. स्टूडेंट्स वगैरह डांस करते हैं. Oh, it's so cute. So अभी ये बेचारा अकेला लगा हुआ है क्योंकि उन्होंने एक्चुअली बैन की हुई है यहाँ पे कोरोना की वजह से. Or there are so many big restaurants also.
So this place is very beautiful.
So until now, Ralph, do you like this place?
Yeah, I love this place. I really want to come this place on you say me Friday.
Friday.
So if I have a
Amazing.
time, I really want to visit this place on Friday. The place is amazing. Like the Mangdong, I have been to the Mangdong two, 3 times.
Yeah.
But I didn't have came to here. So
I'll show you one other thing. It's like because so many foreigners come here, so many tourists come here, they even have a tourist center here. in
Okay,
this place.
nice.
So I'll show you. So if you guys come here, you can go inside and you can even find some of the free stuff there. So
Okay.
this is a center for tourist people.
There's the tourist information. Like,
Tourist information center. You guys can go and there are some free stuff like, and if you like BTS, you know they have this poster, "See you in Seoul." So let's go and you wanna go and see?
it's okay. So let's visit once.
Let's see.
Let's see once.
네, 안녕하세요. 혹시 그 BTS in Seoul 그 포스터 있어요? 그 포스터 그 밖에 거기 여기 붙어 있잖아요. 그 포스터 있어요? 없어요?
웹사이트에 들어가서
네.
around here is there email, Lotte
네. 어떤 웹사इट 들어가야 돼요? So मैं चाह रहा था कि वो पोस्टर हम ले लें किसी तरह, लेकिन वो पोस्टर फ्री में नहीं है, आपने वहाँ पे जाना होता है.
So actually एउटा कुरा पनि भन्नु पर्दाखेरि मैले if you are going to some office or like खागे shops, actually we guys are vlogging, so अफिसमा आएको भएर we guys put our marks on. So अघिसम्म चाहिँ when we are speaking our marks were off, but हामी चाहिँ अफिसमा छिरेको भएर tourist information centerमा छिरेको भएर we put our marks on. So be safe from
you
corona.
can show them like there are so many things, guidebooks, you can take anything you want, like
It's all in free.
yeah.
So you,
होंगडे मैप है, सियोल का मैप है, like different वो coupons होते हैं, different these are all the shows here, like Chef and Nanta बहुत famous shows हैं, तो इनके coupons वगैरह होते हैं. You guys can come here, take all these things and everything is for free.
all things for free.
Yep.
Oh my god. So I love this place. Like,
Yeah, like-
this seat.
Yeah.
And especially this seat. So we can stay and look the crowd.
So okay, we'll just want. Actually, like, do you have any like postcard or something? Postcard? Like. Oh, you okay. Or something related to BTS. BTS, no. Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
So it's okay.
So 네, 감사합니다.
찾아보셨어요? 그 웹사이트 아니면? So there is also a Muslim friendly.
Oh my
If you're
god.
Muslim, you guys.
Is there anything Nepali
Nepali
books?
I don't know. 끝났어요? 네, 알겠습니다.
감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다. 저도.
So हामीले चाहिँ एउटा BTS, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, BTS in Seoul ko we are looking for the posters. So बात हैन. So where are we going?
Okay, so if you want to try some street food, or should we just?
So if you like to try, then let's try together.
Okay, let's see.
So we are on the zebra cross.
So you wanna go and you wanna go more? You wanna try or no?
If
Gonna try?
같이
Gaji, okay.
Oh, okay.
Pali, pali, pali.
So 1 second. Oh my god. So we finally crossed the zebra cross. So we are going to the crowd. So
Yeah. So यहाँ पे जो है ना, from this street, you guys will start seeing different clubs and bars. इस
Nice.
side पे होंगे और इस side पे आपको shopping अगर if you guys love shopping and like not that expensive brands, I guess this street is very famous. So आपको नजर आ रही होंगी इस side पे shops हैं काफी ज़्यादा,
yeah,
Korean bags हैं, Korean जो है ना,
the place is so much crowd. You can see.
और अभी कोरोना है. Imagine when there will be no corona. It's so super crowded here.
So actually, it's this place is like our Nepal, Kathmandu में एक जगह है थमेल बोल के, which is very tourist attractive place.
Oh.
So ऐसा ही कुछ है. It's all about the Thamel is all about the like lighting, crowds and beer and bars like ऐसा ही pubs.
हाँ.
So it's like almost same.
So I mean, this is one of the thing. If you like sweet food,
Yeah.
they make strawberry
Okay,
and
nice.
they put it so much sweet things. Let me
Okay,
show
let's
you.
try.
guys. I don't know if you want to try it or no. Like, if you don't want, we can just
No, it's
Go.
okay. We can try.
sure.
Yeah.
So they make this strawberry candy and they put it like so much sugar thing in
It's
it.
okay then. Let's try.
You want?
आप खाते हैं?
Nah, I will not, but like if you want,
Let's try together.
or you want to eat something else, it's totally up to you.
Let's eat something else.
Okay. So guys, like here, this place, it's one of the very popular club is here, and I'll show you guys. By the way, like especially for pictures, this place is very nice.
Oh my god.
From
so
here.
we guys have to take the picture one.
For one of the most famous Instagrammable places. Is,
Oh my.
Yep.
Wow, this place is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So you guys can see this all around.
And there is one famous club. If you like clubbing, if you want to come, you can go there in the
Okay.
future when
In
it's,
future.
there is no corona thing. So this is the very famous club called Mike's Cabin. So you guys can come here also.
Okay, Mike's Cabin.
Okay.
There is the Mike's Cabin. You guys can see there.
Yep, that's my cabin. So when there will be no corona, you come here. It's gonna be super crowded. So much like big line here and everything.
So we are.
Okay, so let's go back, and then we'll.
So today we are. So today we are not going to the Mike Cabin.
My cabin, yeah.
Mike Cabin because we are so busy. But the place is so beautiful, guys. Look at our background. कस्तो दामी ठाउँ छ क्या. So took the picture and also here the place is so beautiful. But I am in rush. It is almost 7.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I have to reach my home. So माजिदसँग भेटेर एकदम खुसी लागिरहेछ.
Okay. So yeah, we need to. So that's the way I was talking about the street food. But yeah, we will meet again. We will try street food
Yeah.
next time.
So it's
Anyways.
our first time.
Yeah.
So माजिदसँग मलाई अगाडिदेखि नै भेट्न मन थियो. So thank you so much for माजिद.
And again, thank you so much, guys, everyone. And please, जो है राल्फ के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.
प्लीज मेरा बहुत कम सब्सक्राइबर है.
नहीं और ऑनेस्टली आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली फॉर नेपालीज कम्युनिटी. राल्फ इज डूइंग अमेजिंग वर्क. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. तो प्लीज़ इनके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. मेरे से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो लाजमी मेरे चैनल पे आए. लिंक जो है ना राल्फ भाई वो दे देंगे नीचे.
जरूर
Yeah.
प्लीज.
तो इंशाल्लाह I hope to go there to Nepal one day because Nepalis
please
are
welcome.
very
If I'll
nice.
be in Nepal, I'll take you all around.
Sure, you have to. And overall, like Nepal is very beautiful place. The people are very beautiful, especially the girls are very beautiful, and the boys also.
माजिद भाईजान को नेपाल की लड़कियों में बहुत सारी इंटरेस्ट है.
They are beautiful people. Nepalis are very beautiful and handsome people.
मगर पाकिस्तान की लड़कियां भी बहुत सोनी होती हैं.
और मुंडे
मुंडे और सोने होते हैं.
चलो सही है. ठीक है राल भाई, it was really nice meeting you. थोड़ा टाइम था लेकिन it was amazing time. So we will definitely catch up again.
Yeah.
So again, thank you guys so much. दुआ में याद रखो हमेशा, wherever you are, always be happy. So yep.
So thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can subscribe. And if you have a more question about the South Korea and what kind of videos you want to see, please comment me. I'll try to make that kind of videos. And please, guys, if you want to come to South Korea, please apply for a KGSP scholarship.
Yeah.
And be like Majid, and be like him. He completed how many countries you visited?
I have 22.
22, but he haven't been to Nepal.
Sorry.
Please,
So, but I
humbly
will
request you to
I'll
come to
definitely
Nepal
go.
very soon. So, thank you so much, bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Stay safe, stay blessed, and Jai Nepal.
Bye bye.